The T80-U is one of the most iconic main battle tanks developed by the Soviet Union during the Cold War. Introduced in the late 1980s, it represented a significant leap forward in terms of firepower, mobility, and protection, standing out as one of the most advanced tanks of its era. The U in its designation stands for Uluksheny, which translates to improved in Russian, signaling enhancements over earlier T-80 variants. This tank was designed to counter the growing capabilities of NATO forces, particularly Western tanks like the M1 Abrams and the Leopard 2. Its design philosophy focused on combining speed and protection with advanced targeting systems. The T80-U was a product of the Soviet belief in shock tactics and high-speed offensives, and its features reflected that. One of the T80-U's most notable characteristics is its gas turbine engine, similar to that of a jet engine, which gives it unmatched acceleration and top speed for a heavy tank. This engine allows the T80-U to reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour on roads and 50 km per hour cross-country, making it extremely agile for its size and weight. However, while the gas turbine engine offers incredible performance, it also comes with drawbacks. It consumes a large amount of fuel and is more sensitive to dust and poor maintenance compared to traditional diesel engines. Despite this, the mobility benefits were seen as crucial in Soviet strategy, especially for rapid deployments and breakthroughs. In terms of firepower, the T80-U is equipped with a powerful 125mm smoothbore gun capable of firing a variety of ammunition types, including APF-SDS, heat, and HE-frag rounds. It also features the ability to launch anti-tank guided missiles (ATGMs) through the barrel, allowing it to engage enemy armor at extended ranges with great precision. The autoloader mechanism in the T80-U enables a high rate of fire and reduces the crew to 3 members, eliminating the need for a dedicated loader. This compact design helps reduce the overall size and weight of the vehicle while maintaining high combat efficiency. It also contributes to the tank's relatively small profile, making it harder to hit on the battlefield. Protection is another strong suit of the T80-U. The tank is fitted with composite armor and explosive reactive armor, ERA, which significantly enhances its survivability against both kinetic and shaped charge threats. The KONTAKT-5 ERA system was a major innovation, capable of defeating advanced anti-tank munitions of the time. The T80-U also includes advanced optics and fire control systems. These systems give the gunner and commander the ability to track and engage targets accurately during day and night, and in adverse weather conditions. Thermal imaging sights, laser rangefinders, and ballistic computers increase first-shot hit probability, a critical advantage in modern tank warfare. Another important feature is the tank's low silhouette and sloped armor design. This not only helps with deflection of incoming rounds but also makes it easier for the tank to stay concealed in defensive positions or during ambushes. Its urban warfare capabilities are enhanced by the addition of smoke grenade launchers and NBC nuclear, biological, chemical protection systems. Although the T80-U entered service toward the end of the Cold War, it saw limited combat use until the post-Soviet conflicts. Its performance in Chechnya during the 1990s highlighted both its strengths and weaknesses. While its firepower and mobility were impressive, logistical issues, especially related to fuel supply and maintenance, became apparent. The Russian military eventually shifted focus to upgrading the T-72 and developing the T-90, due in part to the high operational cost of the T-80 series. However, several variants of the T80-U have remained in service, particularly in the Russian army and in some former Soviet states, due to its strong battlefield capabilities. Ukraine, which inherited many T80-U tanks after the Soviet Union's collapse, also developed its own upgrades of the platform. Meanwhile, Russia began to modernize some of its T80s into the T80 BVM standard, which includes newer ERA, digital fire control, and updated engines to address earlier shortcomings. The legacy of the T80-U lies in its influence on future tank design and its role as a technological bridge between Cold War and modern armored warfare. It incorporated features that would become standard in later Russian tanks, such as the T-90 and even the T-14 Armata in terms of electronic systems and modular protection. The T80-U has also gained recognition internationally due to its export versions and appearances in various military exhibitions. While not as widely produced as the T-72, its elite status and advanced technology have made it a respected asset in tank warfare history. Its silhouette, speed, and firepower continue to capture the imagination of military enthusiasts, historians, and gamers alike. It has appeared in numerous documentaries, video games, and simulations, often praised for its futuristic design and aggressive performance profile. The T80-U stands as a testament to Soviet engineering prowess, combining power, speed, and innovation. Despite its age, it remains a formidable machine in any battlefield scenario where it is properly maintained and upgraded. The T80-U will continue to be remembered as one of the last great Soviet tanks to emerge before the end of an era.